Laws of indices, power to power rule. So each one of our bases here, this number is also, this coefficient is a base, this variable is also a base. Each one of these has a power. So the first thing that you have to do is to make sure you write in the power. For clarity, m to the power 1, o to the power 1. So every base here, everything here has a power. So they have a power, but it's also raised to a power outside. So we're talking power to power. So this is the power to power situation, right? Or you can say the power to power structure that we have to deal with. So what do you do when you're dealing with power to power and you have to apply the power to power rule? Let's see. All right, in our handouts here, yes, we have a is raised to a power, which is raised additionally to a power. A base with a power raised to a higher power, you multiply the powers. You multiply the powers. Okay? So each and every power inside of this bracket will have to be multiplied by the power outside. The power to power rule. Okay, so let's do just that. Okay, so you have, I'm just going to skip a line. 2, 1 times 2. So this 1 multiplied by 2 over 3, 1 times 2. 1 times 2. Good, so we finished that there now. Each one of these, each one of the base here, the power has been multiplied by the power outside. Now the variable, m, 1 times 2. 1 times 2, n, 2 times 2, n, 2 times 2. O, 1 times 2. 1 times 2. So you can see here, we are not skipping nothing, right? We're not skipping anything. Whether it's coefficient or variables, everybody, their powers is multiplied to the power outside, as you can see here. We're not skipping anything. Don't ever forget that. So this part you know, right? This part you know. We're simplifying the multiplication part. So 2, 1 times 2 is 2 over 3, 2, m, 2, and 2 2 is 4. O, 2. And since we know the powers here, 2 to the second power is 4, 3 to the second power is 3 times 3. Let's give you 9. M squared and 4O squared. So we apply the power to power rule to simplify this term or expression. Now I'll give you a little exercise to do. I wish you all the best. Here is your exercise, 9 over 10 a b squared c to the first power, all squared. All the best, take your time. Okay, so I hope you would have paused the video, worked it out, and now I will be showing you how to do it. Okay, just raise this a little. Here we go. Nice. So, first thing first, we must indicate the power of every single base that is here. So 9 to the first power, 10 to the first power, 8 to the first power. So every single component, every single element here has a power. This is the first thing that we have to do, because if we do not know the power, how can we raise the power to this power? We must know the powers inside before we can raise it. Good. So let's go right ahead. Of course, power to power, we multiply all of the powers to the power outside. So let's go 9. Okay, so I'm not going to write 1 times 2. I'm just going to give you put the answer. 1 times 2 is 2. Okay, 10, 1 times 2 is 2, 10 squared. A, 1 times 2 is 2. B, 2 times 2 is 4. C, 1 times 2 is 2. Of course, if you write it out here, 1 times 2 and 2 times 2, perfectly okay. But I'm just gonna, some of you by now might see it coming and give this simplification right away. So 9 squared is 81, 10 times is 100, A squared, B 4, C squared. There we go. You can't go wrong. Maths is always fun.